How to fix Discord robot voice issue. So if you want to fix the Discord robot voice issue, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the bottom, right click on your taskbar and then go with the task manager. Under your task manager, now if you have the Discord right here, you just need to simply click on Discord and go with end task. Once you end the task, now your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Discord, or you can open it up in your browser, or you can go with the application, go with the user settings, which is right here on the bottom left, and you just need to simply go and change your Discord server region. To change your server region, you just need to simply go with a server, and under your server you will have the server settings. You just need to simply go with it, and here you just need to simply go and change the server region. Once you've changed, your problem might be fixed. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you need to do is you need to disable the quality of service on your Discord, or just go with the user settings, which is right here on the bottom, and you need to go with voice and video, scroll down and go with reset voice settings, and once you've reset, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.